When we talk about blenders, the first thing that comes to our mind is usually the single-purpose kitchen appliance that can only use for basic food processing. But today we will be reviewing something different, and this is HETCH Multipurpose Blender and Soup Maker. And yes, I kid you not, you can make soup, jam, porridge, all by using this. How it differs from others is its ability to cook meals, and it is achieved with the heating element under the glass jug. Combined with the thick borosilicate glass, it weighs quite a bit, so you have to be extra careful when handling the jug. It has two different capacity limits, 1400 ml for hot soup or 1750 ml for regular or cold drinks. The lid, on the other hand, is not as heavy as it looks like, but it serves a very important role. It prevents your soup or smoothie from exploding through all over your kitchen. The concept is very simple. There is a sensor at the handle that constantly detects for the lid. If the lid is not secure in place, you won't be able to start any functions on the blender. What I don't like about the lid is the metal ring will become very hot to touch if you cook soup. This benchtop blender has a powerful 2200 watt blending power and 850 watt heating power. The control panel is made up of a large LCD display with multiple touch-sensitive buttons. Touch interface has been really popular nowadays, but I don't think it is that suitable for kitchen environment because it doesn't work well with wet fingers. There are plenty of built-in functions in the menu that allows the user to choose which type of food they are preparing, and that is a huge time saver. We have previously cooked mushroom soup and carrot porridge, all by just using the menu's preset functions. If you missed those videos, don't worry, we have all the links down in the description section below. Cleaning the jug can be a little bit of tedious, especially because the bottom part cannot be taken off from the jug. Just remember that every time after preparing a meal, pour in some water and detergent, and it will definitely be a lot more easier to clean afterwards. And most importantly, never put the jug in a dishwasher. No, just no. So overall, how does this blender perform? At the price of 788 ringgit on 11 strip, some of you might say that they are asking too much. To be fair, you have to compare the blender with something with similar functions. And honestly speaking, this is very suitable for those users that live in a small condo where the kitchen space is limited. And honestly speaking, I think it is reasonably priced because you can get all those basic cooking functions inside a blender. So what did you guys think of this HETCH Multipurpose Blender and Soup Maker? Do leave your comment down in the comment section below. Like this video if you like it. If you don't like this video, well, I guess I'm sorry. And do subscribe for more videos like this. I'm John with My Everyday Tech. I'll see you in the next one.